Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will discuss about cheap and web hosting in USA. Now we go to the Google and search here cheap and web hosting in USA, and now we go to the link of on this link, click here and now show the screen 9 best cheap hosting providers 2022. Hosting a website doesn't have a break the bank. We have done a ton of research so we can bring you the best cheap web hosting provider out there. Hostinger and iPage top the list, both offering hosting plans from the little as $1.99. Im mentions light plan and exclusive plan just for WBE users in hot on its heels $2.49. These prices are decrease the disconnecting first term price for 3-year contracts. What is the share hosting? Share hosting is when your websites sits on a server with lots of other sites and sharing resources. Best cheap web hosting provider: Hostinger and iPage, Invention, DreamHost, HostGator, Bluehost, GreenGeek, A2 Hosting and HostPapa. Who are the best cheap host provider? These graphs show the best hosting. Number 1 Hostinger, number 2, and these are the uptime and storage spaces and free backups. Hostinger's cheapest share web hosting. Hostinger share hosting pricing breakdown. Hostinger share plan range from $1.99 and $116.19 per month dollar, depending on the plan and the time frame. Like most of the providers on this list, hosting shared hosting features. Hostinger share hosting features. Everyone Hostinger share plan come with at least one email account and 100 GB of bandwidth. To get unlimited emails, accounts and bandwidth, you will have to upgrade from single shared plan to either the premium or business shared plan. iPage simple pricing, unlimited disk space, $1.99 per month. And iPage shared hosting price breakdown: 12-month contract $2.99 per month, and 24-month $2.99 per month, and 36-month. iPage shared hosting features: unlimited disk space, unlimited email account, unlimited subdomain, a free domain name, a free SSL certificate, a scalable bandwidth. InMotion shared hosting pricing breakdown. InMotion shared hosting features and want to share provider. hosting are features: endless benefit, domain registration, SSL certificate, and click install ePanel access. These are the gallery of emotions. DreamHost ideal for media heavy sites, 2.95 months per month. And DreamHost shared hosting pricing breakdown, DreamHost share hosting features, and DreamHost review. Learn all this is the new about this top money saving provider DreamHost pricing review. Our in-depth look at the DreamHost cost, best for uptime, and HostGator shared hosting price breakdown. Bluehost shared hosting features, and GreenGeeks shared hosting price start out very competitive within cheapest plan closing $2.95 if you select a 3-year plan. And A to share hosting price breakdown and features, and looking for a stellar customer experience, best for multiple email addresses. Host Papaya, and what other types of cheap club hosting are there. In this article we have taken a close look at shared hosting because it's the cheapest type available. VPS, dedicated hosting, cloud, best cheap host providing summary. The summary of the best cheap hosting provider, the best summary of 9 points, and FAQs, and these are the all summary of the best hosting provider. 9 points are the best. Best for multiple email addresses. Host Papa. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you so much. Goodbye.